Hello YouTube, let's learn how to grab things from HTML form and process it with our PHP, and then of course print it on screen. Right, so file, new file, let's immediately save it as form.html. So we are just creating form for now, and the form. Now Atom is offering me some kind of things, but I don't want some things, so action. This is the place where you will define which script will get the job done from form. So let's just say grab things. You know that this is name of our script that we are going to write. Okay, so don't forget, every time when you are putting something into action kinda string here, that will be name of your processing PHP script, right? The method will be post. We have basically two methods, get and post, so we will leave it as it is. Now down there we need to label. Why? Because end user need to know what to type basically. I mean, if you have just field to type something, how end user will know what to type? So label will be name. We are grabbing name for start, and after that we need input field. Type will be text. Name for field will be, well, let's use the same thing, name. Now don't confuse, you know, this name with that name. This is generic, okay, like how to explain this? Well, whatever you type here, you must use absolutely that inside of your PHP form to make a connection between HTML and PHP, okay? So this is like a point of connection, like a wire. Think about it as imaginary wire. Right, value, we don't need that at the moment. And after that we will just need input field, what I'm typing here, input, type will be submit, because we need a button for submit. We don't need a name for that, and submit, yeah, right. Let's save our script and let's go to it, form.html, and there you go. So this is our stupid form, but you know, it works. So if we type something here, it's not important what we are typing. When we click submit, we will get into kind of error because we don't have this PHP script to process our HTML form. But form as a form works correctly, so no issues about that. Okay, so no problem. Right, let's create our PHP script file, new file. Let's immediately save it as what was the name? Grab things PHP, I think. Let me check. Grab things PHP, save, and yeah, grab things. Okay, so let's open our PHP file, PHP. Let's push it down there. Okay, so we have a space to work now. So first thing first, how to grab things from this field, from here. Okay, well, we must use variable to do that. So name of variable will be totally up to you. Let's just say get name. Get name equals, and now we need to type dollar symbol and then underscore and then post and then angle brackets, and inside of our kind of string, I mean double quotes, we need to state exactly the name of this field. Remember? So that was name in this case. Okay, just name. You can use whatever you like, but it must be same between HTML form and PHP script when you are grabbing it and processing it. Okay, so yeah, name, and then don't forget to close it. Save. Let's save our script and refresh, and let's type something and submit. And we don't have error right now, but we don't have any kind of result. Why? Because we do have this into PHP inside of memory, but we are not using it basically. So let's use it with a simple echo get name. Okay, and let's close our command. Okay, let's go to our form again, refresh things. Let's say, I don't know, like John, who cares? Oops, John, and submit, and there you go, you have your result. So you can I don't know, maybe beautify this script a little bit, like you can say echo and then data from HTML form, and we can put that into, I don't know, H2 or something. Okay, why not? We can play around. This is our editor, our script. And after that we can have, let me see, HR, horizontal line. And then maybe our report will look more nicer. So let me go back to form again, refresh, something, whatever, submit, and there you go, the thing works. Now why I do have a, oh yeah, I didn't do yeah, right. Refresh, confirms form submission, and now the thing works. So this is kind of boring, so let's grab a couple of other things, like let me see, this is dedicated for name, and then down there we have submit button. That's cool. So let's use this as a structure for last name, and down there we need to change it to last name. And what else we can grab? For example, how person is old, years or something. Type text, name, years. So that's cool. Let me check my form here. Oops. Yeah, I need a couple of breaks here, like break and maybe even down there. So this is kind of silly, but it will still work, and beginners will understand things from it. A couple of more breaks. Okay, refresh, and there you go. So yeah, let's grab those things. What we have last name, so last name will be variable, or even get last name. Why not? Because we need to be a little bit we need to be consistent. So $symbol and underscore post, and we are grabbing from last name from form, last name. Don't forget to close your command. And what else we have? What I was years. Okay, years, get years equals symbol underscore post, and inside of angle quotes we need to say years. That's our field from HTML, and that's pretty much it. So let's use it down there into some kind of report, like name and echo last name. So we are creating some kind of custom report or something, last name, and then we are grabbing things from variable, get last name, and also we are grabbing years, uppercase years, variable will be get years, and that's pretty much it. So this will probably be concatenated on one line. So let's introduce here like a break, let's say inside. It's ugly, but it will work, who cares. Break, and then down there too. Okay, let's save and refresh our script. Okay, so name will be John, last name Smith, and years, how the person is old, I don't know, 40 or something, who cares. Submit, and there you go, the thing works. Okay, so you can beautify this report kinda with H2 or even bold, italic and so on, but you get the point. You don't need to care about beauty for now, just care about will this stuff work or not. So just recapitulation, you need to state names of script here exactly like you are going to create it and populate it with variables. So when you're using post method, you must type post here, okay, with $symbol and underscore, and whatever name here for your field you are using, you must use it exactly inside of definition of your variables when you're grabbing those elements. And what you're gonna do after that with your variables, it's totally up to you. So yeah, definitely practice this for a couple of minutes. Delete everything, okay? Delete everything, destroy everything, and try to, you know, create this from on your own, okay? Because and don't look into what I was doing, just try to force yourself to memorize these things. If you cannot do that, that's also cool. Over time you will get there. So anyway, I'm gonna shut up, and as always, thank you for watching, for support and subscription, and see you next tutorial.